Today has been a big day क्योंकि one of the most awaited cars of this year has finally been launched. Obviously मैं बात कर रहा हूँ नई स्विफ्ट के बारे में and to talk with us none other than we have Parthu Banerjee, Head of Sales and Marketing at Maruti Suzuki. Thank you for talking to us. First of all, congratulations for this big launch because Swift is a big brand for Maruti. Can you just tell us what is the significance of Swift brand for Maruti?
I will start with this new Swift, fourth generation Swift actually. First of all, it has equipped with a new Jet Series engine, 1.2 liter Jet Series engine, which has got the best of the both worlds in terms of the performance and the mileage. Performance part, I will say that thermal efficiency is one of the best. We have used new technologies in it, put more sensors to ensure that even at the lower RPMs also, it gives a very good high torque, which is requirement for the peppy drive in the city condition. Second important thing in terms of the mileage, we have improved the mileage as compared to the previous generation Swift engine by 14% in the automatic transmission and 10% in the manual transmission. And third important thing, keeping in mind that it is very important to take care of the mother nature environment, we have reduced the CO2 emissions in this vehicle by 12%. So that is the first part. It's totally new heart which is there. Second important thing, that safety we feel is a paramount. So in this vehicle, from the base variant, we have got the 6 airbags. Other than whatever other safety features which we are providing, the hill hold assist, the 3-point seat ALR, everything is there. Top of it, they have got 50 plus new features which has been added in this vehicle. If I have to name you some, we are having in this the rear AC vent for the rear passenger sitting there. We have got the mobile Wi-Fi charger in this vehicle. Top of it, even the AC, the buttons, everything has been made digital. And the top of it, if you see these two headlights and the tail lights, they are all LEDs, which always only comes in the premium segment. So it's a
more
vehicle,
features for the buyer.
It's a vehicle which has been equipped with all the features because that's what the Swifter wants, and we are going to provide to them actually. And we have come with a very, very aggressive price of 6.49 lakhs actually. Keeping in mind the features which you are providing, we feel that the customers will surely be coming and they will be having a good time with this product and they will enjoy
Is
the
this
fun
the
of
first
driving.
Maruti Suzuki to have 6 hatchback? Because you are setting a new trend. This is the way going forward.
I think from Jimny we have started. Yeah, in the hatches actually, this is the first actually.
Another very important question is that when the Swift was first launched in 2005, the automotive industry were different. SUVs were not there that day. Today, obviously, there are a lot more SUVs below the 10 lakh market, which the Swift, जहाँ पे Swift operate करती है. So, do you think the competition for this car is SUVs, or what do you see as the competition, and what do you see the Indian buyer evolving for this car?
See, my take is this: India is a big country. There are different set of customers, and we have a huge loyal fan following for this brand actually. And we feel that the premium hatch segment is the segment which is going to grow in the times to come. By 2030, our forecast is it will be around 1 million. So we feel that Swift is the product which is going to really be taking the numbers.
Last question, obviously, what do you see the volumes in terms of how do you see the Swift doing in terms of volume? Will it overtake some of your other hatchbacks, or do you see it maintaining the earlier numbers that it had?
I think today is the launch day. So as I told you that we have got 10,000 bookings within a week's time actually, without knowing the price. So after the price, I think furthermore,
It will be there.
we'll see. So maybe we will be discussing later on with you.
So thank you so much. Congrats.
Nice.